Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, we are going to talk about all the remaining options. So we have three options remaining here. We have sidebar, footer builder and performance. Let's just click on sidebar first. And here we have a lot of options. Here we have the option to change the layout of the sidebar. So if you want your sidebar on the left, you can click on this button and you can click on left. And now your sidebar will appear on the left. I prefer it on the right, so I will click on right. You can also disable the sidebar if you click on no sidebar. So there will be no sidebar in your home page. Your default layout will be of no sidebar. I don't want that. I want my sidebar on the right, like this. Okay, so we have the pages. So to demonstrate that, we need to go to the About Us page or any other page that you have created. And here you can see that we have the sidebar in our About Us page, and we don't want that. You normally don't have your sidebar in your pages, so we are going to disable this sidebar on all the pages, not just About Us page, not just Contact Us page, but all the pages. We don't want sidebar on pages, so this option will be applicable to all the pages. So let's go to this area and then click on no sidebar. And we have removed the sidebar from all the pages. Just go to the Contact Us and you will see that there will be no sidebar here. And yes, there is no sidebar, and our Contact Us looks a lot better now. And here you have two more options. You have the blog post page. So this is the same as the home page now, because our home page is our blog post page. So you can also change that setting here. You can make it left, right, but the default is just fine. The default is right sidebar, so it is fine. And you have the archive page. You can also change the setting for that. And here you have the width of the sidebar. So if you want to change that, you can do that here right now. To demonstrate that, let me go back to the home page. I will click on home here. And here you can see that our sidebar is 30% of the entire screen. So 30% area of the entire screen of the entire website will be allocated to the sidebar. If you want to increase that, you can do that here. You can make it 50, 42, but normally 30% is just fine. I prefer to make it 25, so let me go with 25. No, it looks ugly, so 30 is just fine. 30. Okay, now let's just go back, and now we will click on publish, because we want to publish the changes so that our pages don't show sidebar. Okay, so it's not showing sidebar. All right, now we have two more options. We have the footer builder. So just go to the footer builder and then go to the copyright area. And here we have a lot of things. We have the copyright and then the copyright symbol. So this symbol right here that you can see, and then the current year, then the site title, and then the powered by Astra WordPress theme. Now I don't like that. I don't want powered by Astra WordPress theme, so I will select it and I will remove it. And after removing it, I will add a pipe symbol here, and I will make the site title bold. So I will select this and I will make this bold, and it is bold. And I will add this symbol here, this one. Okay, so now our footer is complete, and I will go back and I will click on publish, because I want to publish the changes. Okay, and we have one more option here. So this is the performance. So here you have the option to load Google font locally. So if you are using Google font on your website, then what this option will do is that it will download all the Google font and it will store it on your server, and then it will use that font. So that's about it. And these were the options that are specific to this Astra theme. If you use a different theme, then all these options might not be there. But whenever you are working with a theme, try to play with all the options that the theme offers you, and that is the only way you will learn. That is the only way. Alright, that's it for this video, and that's it for this section. In the next section, we are going to talk about domains, we are going to talk about hosting, and we will publish our website on the internet. So all of that coming up in the next section. Till then, bye.